Hello, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. The opposition in the monsoon session of the parliament cornered the BJP on the issues of cow vigilantism and the gruesome episodes of mob lynching. The BJP received flack from everywhere. Congress leader Mallikarjun Kharge bashed the BJP in his 30-minute speech on mob lynching. He accused the government at the centre for supporting groups like RSS, Bajrang Dal and VHP, which were creating a ruckus in the society. Later, Asaduddin Owaisi said that as long as Modi government continues to be in power, mob lynchings will continue. He said, if cow protection was an essential part of Hinduism, then the Supreme Court should deliver a verdict on it. He added that lynchers are not any different from terrorists, and it is high time that the government took action against them. He added that their fight is not against Hinduism, but against Hindutva. He further questioned Prime Minister Modi on why he can go to Israel and hug the 26/11 attacks child survivor Moshe but cannot go to Akhlaq's family and meet them. All India Trinamool Congress leader Saugata Roy pointed out that 97% of bovine-related violence between 2010 and 2017 have occurred after PM Modi came into power. Of these incidents, 86% of bovine-related violence has been targeted at Muslims. He questioned if BJP was aiming for a Muslim-Mukt Bharat, as he pointed out that what was happening was a Muslim-targeted killing. He said that VHP Bajrang Dal are monkeys of the ruling party. Union Minister Kiran Rijiju responded to the opposition's allegations of mob lynchings against the PM Modi-led government. He said, "Our Prime Minister has been the first to condemn mob lynchings. I have given you all the data and this has been going on for years under the rule of Congress, Samajwadi Party and other parties as well. No leader has made this an issue earlier. So how can you blame our government for having started the trend of mob lynching?" Well, it was a tough session for the BJP, answering all the questions being bombarded at them. That's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.